great sadness that we announce the death of Garry Mapanzure, the artist who succumbed to his injuries this morning. He was involved in an accident yesterday in Masvingo Bay Bridge Road, and akaita accident ipapo when another car was turning into Clipsham residential area vachibva vadzatungana mota ipapo. The sister was driving and they had a baby in the car. The baby unfortunately died on the spot. Another driver, Larry from GZU, who was also studying law, also lost his life ipapo nezuro. Many people have been praying for Garry to pull through since he was unconscious yesterday, but then guys, he passed away this morning. The sister broke her leg. Ukuvari kuchema mwana wavo pamwe chete nebrother yavo. It is quite a sad time for the Mapanzure family. May we please remember them in prayer. We are entering the festive season. Tichitanga ipapa munana October umo. Zvinhu zvacho hazvichatofambi zvakanaka. Guys, let us be careful and don't forget to pray zvakare.